relax. Just want to take some pictures. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a much requested video. In my last video or the video before, I had my hair up in a bun like this. I got so many questions, DMs saying to show how I do this like bun look, and it really just takes a gigantic claw clip and like a couple bobby pins and that's it. But yeah, it's just super easy, so I figured I would just sit down really quickly and show you guys how I do it. I'll do this look in the car sometimes. This gives me teacher, this gives me Parisian chic vibes. Like, I don't know, I just really like this look. I personally love doing a look like this when I really want to showcase like jewelry and I just want to do something a little bit more understated with like my look. Really just wanted to kind of give you guys a full vibe as to like how I would really wear this look. Right now, I'm just wearing this like chambray button-down shirt. I have all this jewelry that I'm showcasing that I'm gonna share with you guys. So today's video is in partnership with Midjourney. I'm very excited to let you guys know that they are having their annual sale this week. So everything is going to be 20% off with a minimum spend. Basically, if you are in the US, you have to spend $150 in order to get that 20% off. 20% really does make a difference, especially if you are looking to get gifts, which Midjourney is truly the best place to get gifts. They have men and women's, but I honestly feel like no matter what, like there's a piece for everybody. If you are subscribed to Midjourney's newsletter, you get access to the sale earlier than the public sale. So they are putting on a private sale for those of you who are subscribed to their newsletter, which if you haven't subscribed to them, I will have a link down below if you guys have not subscribed to their newsletter yet. You want to be able to do that because you want that 20% off and you want to be able to get it before everybody else does. A few dates that I want to share with you guys. So the private sale is on November 21st to the 22nd online, and then the public sale is November 23rd to the 28th online. Public sale for in-store only is the 21st through the 28th. So I'm just going to break down some of the pieces that I'm wearing. Maybe it'll help kind of put some things into your carts so that they're ready to go when the sale starts. So definitely take note, and I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly and then we will jump into the hair tutorial. So here are some of my favorite rings to wear. As you can tell, you'll see me wearing these a lot throughout my videos. I love the pave pieces as well as just their gold pieces are some of my favorites. Stacking to me is something that really just elevates your jewelry game just a little bit by dressing it up with other pieces. And I also do that with my earring stack. For the day-to-day, I really like wearing the large hoops. I think they're a really nice touch, really classic and elegant, paired with a pave huggy. And you'll also see me layer my necklaces. I usually have the baby curb chain and my heart pave diamond necklace as well. All these pieces are going to be linked down below, and let's jump into the hair tutorial. All you're going to need are claw clips, maybe some bobby pins, and then, oh, that's interesting. I've never seen this before. Do you guys see this bubble? Ew, that's so weird. And that's going on in my head. You just need some kind of hairspray depending on how your frizzies are. I did wash my hair last night. I will say that hair that is third day, fourth day, just dirtier is better because then you can get a lot more texture in your bun. It's easier just to like mold hair when it's got a little bit of life in it and it's not just like so freshly washed. Right now my hair is like super slick. We're gonna try to see if I can do this. I think it should be fine, but we shall see. All you're gonna do is grab some front pieces right here. You don't want to do too thick of a piece. Like this is going to be way too heavy. You really want to do something like this, like about 1/2 inch at most. Just section it and you can kind of see, I don't have the best hairline. Like I have actually like a pretty receding hairline, so I try to like not show that very much. See how like from here down, it should be like the same amount. Already I can tell this is gonna be like too much in the front. but it's okay because we can always pull it back and pin it in. Whereas taking it from a bun that's already done up and everything, it kind of gets crazy. So all you're gonna do is just grab all your hair as if you're doing a regular pony, and you just don't like pull the hair back. You wanna keep this middle part and just pull it back. Don't like try pulling it like this because then you're gonna lose the middle parting. You wanna keep that middle parting as much as possible because that gives it like the illusion that it's actually a little bit more put together than a look that isn't parted, if that makes sense. You don't wanna like smooth it out. Like I said, it's not that kind of bun. You just wanna really just keep it really loose and not like think about it so much. And let me try to turn around. So basically all I'm gonna do is grab the bun and I'm going to use my hand, my like non-dominant hand, and I'm just basically gonna wrap it around, and then I just like, I wrap it around and then I pull it down and over. It's hard with my ring. And then that is basically like the bun right there. And then, I know it looks crazy because it's got that like tail right now. I'm gonna take this claw clip, this one's huge, and it's the only thing that keeps my hair, holds my hair because I have extensions in and stuff. And that is basically how it looks. If you don't like having like this part out, you can just take a bobby pin, just pin it into the rest of the bun. Like, you don't have to put your bun up the way I did. Just like put your hair up in a bun that you feel comfortable with. And this is basically what it looks like. This actually looks okay. I do prefer this to be more like that. So if you ever have these, you can either like kind of tuck them in that way, and then I'll pin it as well. Like that. I'm using the bobby pins that are like this. Okay, now I'm gonna take a flat bobby pin and I'm going to just sort of push this up into here. Okay, so then I'll just take a little bit of like a medium hold hairspray and I'll just do it right onto the front just to kind of help those baby hairs not be so prominent. I kind of don't mind the baby hairs like in the back. I feel like pushing those down, then it starts to look a little bit too polished. So I have some like pieces down here, but that's fine. Like I think it's cute when you have a little bit down here, and they really help. Oh my God, there's no one at the door. Might have just peed myself. And then also I think like with this kind of look, keeping like the earrings really minimal is kind of key to keeping it very like chic. And if you do a lot of earrings, I always suggest like doing like a cute like huggy stack. Sophie, something super simple. Or I even have like these that I think would look really cute as well. They're like super thin, medium-sized hoops. You see what I mean? Because they're like super thin, they're not like thick where they're like very trendy. I just think that these are very classic. Can't you see me in a museum right now? Or like at a cafe with a book, a tote bag with flowers in it and a baguette coming out. Like this just is very Parisian, you know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Missouri down below. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.